Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And today we have a unboxing of a Diamond Art Club canvas. It's one of the smaller canvases from Amazon. It's a Smurfs canvas. So I haven't even taken it out of the plastic yet. So let me cut the plastic off. I haven't tried one of these smaller canvases yet. Okay. Comes with a toolkit. In case you don't know what comes in a Diamond Art Club toolkit, I'll show you. If I can get it out. Comes with a tray, single placer. This is a 7-placer, a heart plate of wax, comes with a pen that is filled with putty, I'm assuming. Yes. And here's the refillable putty. And a bag of baggies in case you want to kit up in bags. You might have heard that it may come with cover minders, but they don't do the cover minders anymore. Get a little thank you for your purchase envelope. Oh, you don't get the little collector's card? That sucks. It's only 7 colors. Here's your sticker. I'm gonna have to contact them about that because I thought you got a collector's card in it. And when I'm talking about the collector's cards, I'm talking about these, the holographic cards that you scratch the back to get the code, and when you have enough of these cards, you trade them in for gift cards. So if you guys know anything about that, or why I didn't get one, please let me know. Here's the canvas. It's called Little Diamonds by Diamond Art Club. This is Brainy Smurf. This is a 9x9 or 23 by 23 centimeter. And it is licensed. 7 colors. And it looks like we have a special drill. Or maybe not. I don't know. I don't think the black looks special. I don't know why there's an E in front of the black. The 310. But here are our drills. Not that many colors. So yeah. That's our canvas. Also has the perforated paper. So if you don't want to use release papers, you can just tear these papers. They're like little 4-inch squares. So I'm going to roll this all back up. And that's it. That was just a really quick look at the canvas. In case you haven't seen the little Diamonds DIY art kit. I'm even looking in the box to check to make sure that collector's thing isn't in there, but it's not. I'm gonna have to, when I do there's a warranty or anything. Leave a review. Here's my insurance card. So maybe once I do the warranty and the insurance card, maybe I'll contact them and ask them why I didn't get one of those holographic cards. But that's it for tonight, guys. That's it for today. It was just a quick little unboxing of a Diamond Art Club little Smurfs canvas, which I'm going to actually be making for Julio's side of the wall. He has a little cute spot that it can go in. So I hope you really enjoyed seeing that canvas with me and unboxing it. If you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified of any new content I upload. If you are returning, thank you for returning and joining me in today's video. I really hope you enjoyed your time here today. And without further ado, I hope you have a wonderful weekend coming up, a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.